Can you please offer some advice for someone that's looking to receive a similar message as Abraham? Any practices, meditation, or direction as to what I can do or what we can do to step back from these sponsoring thoughts and receive a more clear message from our higher self?
This is exactly it. And this experience demonstrates it to you. Because here you are with a question, and here we are with an answer. And so it's two different points of view. And the thing that trips you up, because you're tuned in often, and you are in the receiving mode often, but it's tricky when you've got a question pulsing within you that literally blocks out the frequency of the answer. If a question is too dominant, the answer can't be heard by you. And your inner being can't shout it loud enough because there's no assertion. There's only allowing and receiving. So the specific answer is put some distance between. We're talking about time distance. Not a lot, doesn't have to be a lot, but there has to be an awareness on your part. This is the question that I'm asking, and sit and write it and make it clear. Life's helped you to formulate it, and then sit. Meditation is a really good way to clear your mind, but don't sit to receive the answer during meditation. Sit to clear your mind during meditation. Let meditation be meditation, and as you sit to clear your mind, sometimes at the end of meditation or sometimes following meditation, you receive the answer, and often it's a day or two later. And you know what the best thing is? You see, words don't teach. It takes a lot of words to get a concept across, but life experience gets it across fast, especially when you know what you know. So if you're clear about your question, did you hear us earlier when we said the question and the answer are equivalent in terms of their oomph? And so if you have a really strong question, there's a really strong answer, and in your non-resistant state, something will come. Maybe you'll receive it through words, maybe it will be demonstrated through life experience. Sometimes what trips you up is that you want it to be so obvious. You want to do what Esther's doing. You want to receive it in this way, so you don't let it come in any other way. But some of the very best things are the things that come in other ways. Non-physical is always, 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 always aware of you, and always queued up, giving you answers. And to the degree that you're in tune, you're receiving the answers. You know what? You're so good at that, you don't even know you're doing it. So just chill. And stop trying to make it something different than it is. And understand that every relationship that a physical being like you or Esther has with non-physical beings like us is always different. Esther would hear others describing their sort of similar experience, and she'd say to us, Abraham, why are they lying? Because they were talking about an experience that wasn't like hers. And we said, don't compare the experience, and everyone's different. Everyone's expectations are different. Everyone's beliefs are different. Everyone's desires are different in some ways. So just let it be. And it is our absolute knowing that there is satisfaction in this process for you. Just enjoy it. That's really the strongest key. Enough, or you have something more?
Perfect. Thank you.